Okay, you guys, this is that devastating boat crash that happened in Baltimore. Now look at the cars going across over up here. You guys see the cars? This is absolutely terrible. And look at it, aims right for the beam. It aims right for it. That's not a that's on purpose. That's not an accident. It seems allegedly. That it aims right for the beam. Are you serious? Seriously? Wow, look at the cars. Luckily, it was not any loss of life. It's too many. Look at that. Wow. Whew. Okay. Wait, let's see. It's from another angle. Wow. Hmm. That's something else. Very unfortunate. Shout out to WRAL with the full footage. Shout out to you, WRAL. Appreciate the full silent footage. Wow, that's something else. Right, guys? Let's just keep everyone in prayer. I heard it was about 6 people that's presumed lost, and they are trying to recover. Anytime, like I said, there is a loss of life. It's very unfortunate, very sad. But the infrastructure, I just dropped another video. Aaron Bushnell, I did a Remembering Aaron Bushnell a video, and I spoke about the infrastructure of America. So check it out, you guys, and how janky it is. So you guys go check that out. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye.